Scorpio, the song that's playing for you is $1 million worth of game. Alright there, Scorp. What you got? You don't have to let me know. Look, whether you spitting game, alright, you got your game on tilt. Alright, the way you move, the way you handle the things you handle, can't nobody do it how Scorpio do it. The game Scorpio got worth $1 million. Can't no, and there's only one Scorpio out this motherfucker, you feel me? There's only one of you, and can't nobody do how you do the way you do what you do. Man, it's worth $1 million. Don't have to let me know though. Put your foot in the shoe that fits you. If you know you a Scorpio and you ain't got shit busting, so don't put it on you. I'm telling you, what you preaching right now, what you standing by, what you representing your truth. Your truth may be burdensome to somebody. You may have been lying, or you just may have been expressing falsehood in some way, shape, or form last episode or previously. Once upon a time in Scorpio life, Scorpio wasn't being honest, it wasn't being a hierophant. You weren't being true to who you were. But now, you realize you worth $1 million. It's like you found your worth, almost. See, look what I said. Once upon a time, you were in your mind regarding whether people was communicating and expressing things towards you, expressing truths that you thought were true, and you thinking they were true fucked you up. That's once upon a time though. See, you're not the same Scorpio you was yesterday, because it's like you played your role, you brought depth, you transformed, you evolved, finally, after you cashed in your experience points. Now you in the position to know how you feel. Now you preaching about whatever you preaching about, you preaching your truth, what you practice, what you believe. And now you're in a position to whether you want to accept or decline emotions from others and or emotional based ideas. You're looking at every cup that come your way like, do I want to participate? Do I want to sip this drink? Do I want to feel like this today? Should I feel like this today? Is this a good way to feel today? Is this a good way to think? Because you back in control. Or is this good feelings? Because look, you back in control. I just seen, because you emotionally walked away from something. Look, and now you know what you passionate about. You found your passion. You feel me? Because it's the queen, so this is internal. Now either someone outside of you is stressing in regards to this situation, because what you doing? What you doing stressing somebody out? There's Scorp. Someone may be trying to come up with an idea on how to bring you something. If it's you versus someone outside of you. Because this is on the bottom. You walked away with some truth. You walking away with some truth. Or you sailing on your ship regarding some truth. Not only fuck somebody up emotionally. Somebody's stressing because of your truth. Because of what you saying. Because of what you doing. How you expressing. How you preaching. How you practicing. You feel me? Now they trying to think. Trying to back to the drawing board in regards to a space with Scorpio. Trying to rock you to sleep, Scorp. Somebody trying to rock you to sleep. Because look, son, I flipped it. It should have flipped on its own. My fault. Song is this. 5 o'clock somewhere. See, I'm telling you, somebody might be a little stressed. Alright, just a little pressed. Over what you doing, Scorpio. Over your truth, Scorpio. Look, I told you ended something. I told you was playing. You ain't do nothing but play your role. You knew it was time for a death and time for a transformation. You knew something was unbalanced, unjust. So it was time for you to open up. Hold on, what's behind that? Look, you was nurturing something that wasn't even worth investing in. Look, it fell. There you go. It came out. Now it's time for you to open up. Now you being true to who you are, you know you got the option to accept emotional ideas or feelings from others. And now others is trying to think about what feelings and ideas to bring you. Because you no longer nurturing negativity no more. Back in the day you was nurturing, and you was harboring immature feelings and thought, this shit came out. See, I told you. You ended an emotional celebration. It's like you shared a space with folks. That space, y'all had different feelings about something, but at the same time, all those feelings didn't align with what you feel about. See, look, 3 of Cups. It's like motherfuckers was partying with your cups. They were using your feelings, your energy in order to have some sort of celebration. Scorpio said, that's a dub. We done with that. Now you see, look, 3 people went to 1 person real quick. And not only is it 1 person, you see the tree you planted and you grew. You feel me? You did this. Scorpio did this. And now you preaching that shit. I did this. Now someone outside you trying to think of an idea, because look, the 3 people you left is the 3 motherfuckers right there trying to come up with an idea on how they could bring Scorpio some feelings, immature feelings, to fuck Scorpio up again. Look, Scorpio, you're on track. You know how you feel with the Queen of Cups on them. You know you good, bro. You cool, smooth sailing. Finally, Scorpio. Round of applause, goddamn. Again, if you know you're not this Scorpio, you better not. Ain't no round of applause for you. Your day will come though. I hope. Ace of Swords flip. Somebody was lying to you. Somebody brought you some lies, or someone is going to try to bring you lies. Look, someone outside of you. If this is someone outside of you is thinking because of an emotional celebration ended. There's no party anymore emotionally. You're not sharing the same feelings you used to share about certain spaces and or topics with people, places, and things outside of you now. You changed how you feel. And now when people bring you feelings, you look at those feelings and you make sure you checking to see if they align with how you feel. Because you in a high position right now. You feel me? You got to say so. So someone may try to lie to you. Someone thinking of a lie to bring you. And it's like, this lie will fuck up balance. It'll fuck up your whole shit. You feel me? If this lie comes through. If you accept this lie as the truth. You're in the position where you can contemplate. You can consider feelings, emotional based ideas. Or just, you feel me? Whatever it is for you. Look, you working though. You working. Now, if it's someone outside of you is trying to work on bringing lies to you. See, because look, ain't a party no more. Scorpio took Scorpio's cups back. Scorpio took Scorpio's feelings back, so can't nobody celebrate in regards to Scorpio's feelings. Can't nobody use your feelings against you. The cup done ran dry. You see how he pouring that shit out like, hey, bro, we need some more juice. Now they trying to come up with an idea. You got the 3 of Cups, 3 of Coins, 3 of Cups. Now they're trying to come up with some more ideas on how we can get that party back going in regards to Scorpio. We're trying to get back in Scorpio good graces. Because Scorpio just head down working. So motherfuckers may try to come lie to you in order to do that. Or if it's someone outside of you is working on lies to express towards you. Because they don't like the ending. See, look, you used to be in conflict on the bottom. Or it's because this person, place, or thing, this space is in conflict. Without you. It's without you, it's a hurricane. With you, it's like you put that hurricane on your back. You put the problems on your back when you are involved. You handle it. You feel me? But you deaded that. Look, you killed that mentality. You brought death to that way of thinking or that way of being. And now you're being true to what you about. God damn it, pick up the cards. There you go. Now you're being true to what you about. Again, if you know this ain't your story, Scorpio, hey, look, something happened quick. If you know this ain't your shoe side, you emotionally disconnected from something. Now look, you looking at every feeling that's brought to you. Every emotional based idea and or feeling someone brings you. Because you know how you feel. You know how you feel, and you don't want nobody to taint your feelings. If anything, you want feelings that will build upon your feelings. Because you're trying to manifest now. You're working. Look, you don't have to let me know, though. I'm going to fuck with you.